The slope grade calculator calculates slope ratios, grade percentages, and angles using the rise over run method. This calculator has 3 input fields. First is rise, which is your vertical distance. Second is run, your horizontal distance. Third is an alternative input option labeled OR angle in degrees, which lets you enter an angle directly. For this demonstration, I'll use the rise and run method with both values set to 10. Let's calculate. With a rise of 10 and a run of 10 entered, I'll click Calculate Slope Grade. The calculator returns 3 results. First, the slope ratio shows 0.176 to 1,000, which tells us the vertical change for every unit of horizontal distance. Second, the grade percentage is 17.63%, expressing the slope as a percentage commonly used in civil engineering and road design. Third, the angle reads 10 order degrees, giving us the inclination from horizontal. Notice that when we input equal rise and run values of 10, the resulting angle is 10 degrees, not 45 degrees as you might expect, because this calculator uses a different input convention. This tool streamlines slope calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.